welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, as you can see here, piping hot, just finished. We're going to do this amazing, it really is incredible, this sweet and sour pork and lychee. Delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at all of our ingredients now. As you can see, my belly pork has been cooked and cut. The reason I do that, by the way, is because this belly pork's quite fatty, so if I cook it first, I can render out a lot of the fat. So there's still some fat in there, but I've got rid of loads of it. Lychees. Now I've got a can of lychees in a syrup, and we're going to be using some of this syrup as well. Garlic, ginger, onion, soy sauce here. I'm using a light soy, vinegar and ketchup. They're about equal amounts. By the way, I'm going to put all the ingredients in the list, the amounts in the list below. We're going to start this off with some very hot oil. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper. That's about it. Let's go and do it. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a pan or something. I've got some oil in there, which is very, very hot. We're going to do this all on a very high heat. By the way, I'm using a sunflower oil. We're going to start off with our ginger and our garlic. Just for a few seconds. Let's infuse that oil. Now we're going to drop in our onion. Super high heat. As you can see, we're browning and blackening the ginger already and the garlic, which is great for me. Now we're going to drop in our pork, which you saw was cooked already. We're going to throw this around in the pan for like 2 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. Okay, we're going to get some black pepper in there. We're not adding salt because we've got plenty of salty things in there like the soy. Add some if you want. We're now going to drop in our lychees. And some of the syrup from the can. Let this go for about 2 minutes. Again, high heat all the way. Wonderful. We're going to get in that vinegar now. That's going to counterbalance the sweetness of that syrup that we've got in there. We're going to add the soy. I'm using a light soy. That's going to add some saltiness to it. Then we're going to add the ketchup. Ketchup's going to give it a little bit of colour, more sweetness because it's packed with sugar. And again, 2 more minutes. High heat to keep it moving. Okay, off goes the heat. And this delicious pork and lychee is done. I've just tasted that. It is incredible. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.